Hey MoonToken Fam, it's me, Stacey, your project lead. It's now 1 a.m. on October 22nd, Hong Kong. My eye contact lenses are so dry, but I wanted to make sure that I film this recording for you guys to be shown on Friday, our weekly update. And this is your weekly update from October 22nd to October 29th, 2021. And I want to apologize, like my light bulb broke, so the filming is darker. I was contemplating whether to film it in the morning, but I have work early in the morning, so I'm gonna film it now. So just to share with you some updates of what we were working on here in Hong Kong and cross globally the past week. We're just like behind the scenes researching and looking into, the next steps for MoonToken. And I love hearing the, commentary and the things coming in the group chat. So I love that we're still so active. And I know, like, you know what? I love when you guys click holding the diamond hands, because it's just showing your support, and it means a lot. So thank you so much. So I want to tell you that this week we launched the Lil Moon Competition, and the whole idea about this is that one of our things on our roadmap is to create a MoonToken NFT. And I was thinking, like, it'd be so cool if we have it based on a little moon. Like, instead of using those graphics from outside, why don't we look into our community and have a little moon guy from our community members? And so that's going to be a competition. So to tell you the competition details, the submissions are from October 16th to October 26th. And then what happens is we're going to compile them and then show them on our website. And then there's going to be a vote button. The winner of it will receive, the winning design will receive 10 billion moon tokens. And there's going to be some incentives and giveaways and all that stuff linked to the voting as well. And I'm contemplating whether to just have that voting in the function of the voting, or we do something like Twitter voting or blah, 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 something like that. And I'm still talking to our core team to have an idea and brainstorm together. If you guys give us some ideas of how you would like to see like some incentives or something for voting, or how we should tabulate our votes, just let me know. It's linked to the next thing I want to update you with. I've been working with Mohammed and his team. We are adding a voting feature, and we're adding a forum feature on our website coming up very soon. So the idea is that when we have those little moon, final or submissions, we're going to upload them, and then you click vote for the design that you like on our website. And we're going to be sharing ideas, having our ideas jam and our points and your different perspectives on the forum. And if there is something that we'd like to vote on as a community, we can vote on as a community on our forum chats, our forum website. So that's really cool. And then the funny thing is I haven't left my chair in the past 3 hours. So I had a 1-hour meeting with Emmanuel. He's our head of business development in Africa. And he was updating me about all of the different things he's been doing. I've been in total grief for the past 2 weeks. So I'm really sorry about that. Like, my threshold to handle stress has been very little, and I'm borderline anger management recently. So I haven't been talking to Emmanuel that much, but I just trust that he's doing what he's doing. And I'm so happy I had a good recap with him, and he's updating me all of the different things that I've missed the past 2 weeks. And he's just been plowing through and growing MoonToken in Ghana. And then I said to myself, the community, our MoonToken family, they have to hear what you are telling me right now. And so I made some changes to the schedule so that this Sunday coming up on October 24th, Emmanuel is going to have, Emmanuel and I will be on the YouTube live and Twitter live as well, and just streaming and updating everyone about what's been going on and what he's been doing. So I think that's like really raw community news that we want to know, and the future of MoonToken. So that kind of summarizes my point. And we also hit 300 subscribers. I think we might be on 312 right now. So if you're watching this and your red button's still like not gray and it says subscribe, please subscribe and please join us on our socials. We are on Telegram, Twitter, Reddit, YouTube, subscribe, Discord, and Instagram. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye.